Hi everyone, it's day 21. Today we want to talk about gifts for mailing. It's time. Today let's inventory our mailing supplies, including containers for baked goods and packing materials for boxes. I've got some great ideas. Most of these have come from my very, very smart, clever readers. This is the best one of all. Dry popcorn makes for great packing material, and it gives your recipient, or the birds on the other end, a nice little snack. There are tons of other ideas on Pinterest for how to use what you have to keep everything snug and safe. Find all the tips you can and start getting ready for mailing your packages. I'll see you tomorrow. Debt-Proof Living with Mary Hunt was created and hosted by me, Mary Hunt. Produced by Julie Emerson with Harold Hunt, executive producer. Save time, save money every day, and make it easy on yourself. Subscribe at everydaycheapskate.com. That's where you will find all the ways you can follow Mary, Everyday Cheapskate, and Debt-Proof Living. Thanks for listening.